This morning I'm on a roof in Havre de Grace, Maryland, just starting a home inspection. And I'm taking this video because not too long ago, about a week or so ago, I commented on the shingles that were used on the ridge of a roof that had architectural shingles. And the response came back from the roofer for the seller that I was wrong. And so what I want to explain is why architectural shingles should not be used on the ridge of a roof. This is an example of an excellent roof installation. This roof having been replaced very recently, and these shingles are what we call architectural shingles. And if you look carefully, you will see it's made up of small sections which are glued together, and these, if you look right here, you can see how this joint here lifts ever so slightly. So in practice, what happens is, if you use this shingle on the ridge, this part here being called the ridge, and when you fold it over top of the ridge, this gap tends to open up, so that so what will happen is, if when water falls on the ridge, the water will run down and make its way into the gap here if you use the architectural shingle on the ridge. Needless to say, I forwarded a copy of the manufacturer's installation instructions, which clearly state that ridge cap shingles should be used on the ridge of an architectural style roof and not the architectural shingles themselves. So don't know what the roofer's response was to that, but you know, the point being, here you can clearly understand why one should not be using architectural shingles on the ridge of a roof. Till next time.